Well, it's the largest outbreak of measles the province has seen in almost 30 years. 78 new measles cases have been identified in Ontario, doubling the total over the last 2 weeks. And it comes as outbreaks grow in the U.S. CTV's Josh Marano joins us live now. And Josh, why are we seeing so many more people being affected right now?
Tricia, the province usually sees no more than 22 measles cases a year. So far, it's just over 140. While no cases have been reported in the capital region, healthcare officials are warning the public that could change with vaccinations for the virus down to around 40%. While picking up his son from school, Ryan Hemsworth is staying cautious for symptoms of measles during one of the province's largest outbreaks.
There is always the automatic concern that your kid's going to get sick from any million potential things any day, so this is just adding to the list.
Teddy is in preschool at Carleton Heights Public School. He is vaccinated, and while Ottawa has no confirmed cases of measles, Hemsworth doesn't want to take any chances.
You know, there's so much that these kids, when they're in school and they're playing with each other, and, so much can happen. And this is just it's crazy that this is another thing that's going on right now.
Ontario is seeing measles cases at its highest since 1998. The 140 documented cases have already surpassed the 101 total infections recorded in the province between 2013 and 2023.
We had a very good success rate in preventing it before the pandemic when we had our vaccination rates at 85, 90%, if not higher. Unfortunately, we fell down to about 40% during the pandemic, but we're trying very hard.
The U.S. is also seeing measles spreading. The death of an unvaccinated child in Texas earlier this week was the first measles death in a decade.
Measles is not just a cold. You can get measles, particularly a young child can have it. It could be very ill to the point where they can get brain infections, pneumonias, and even death.
Hemsworth is not only hoping to keep Teddy safe, but other children in his school by stopping the spread.
That's definitely going to be on the radar. I mean, I was aware of what was going on in the States, and didn't know it fully crossed over here, but inevitably everything does. So, it's definitely on my radar now.
Dr. Rumliotis says he expects the number of cases to cap off now that it has come to light. Ottawa Public Health is also informing residents they offer drop-in services at the neighborhood health and wellness clubs. Ottawa has not seen a confirmed case of measles since 2019. Patricia.
All right, CTV's Josh Marano live for us tonight. Thank you.